Voice is clear or not? Is it audible? Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Video is clear? Yes, okay, okay. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, all of you. How your studies are going on? How your studies are going on? Going well, very good. Well, very good, Mahima. So, are you following the schedule? Proper schedule of a study plan? Sunday syllabus. Is it not known to you? Okay, don't worry. I will tell the people, they will update the syllabus, no problem. So, are you following your study plan? Okay. We will send it in the group. Okay, okay. His studies are going well. And what is your thinking about mole concept? Mole concept. Are you able to understand the concepts? Are you able to understand the concepts of mole? Yes. It is good or very good or excellent. I think there is some issue. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay. That's good. Okay. I have given some homework. What was that? Can anyone tell? What was the homework? What was the homework? No, no. Question. I am asking about the question. What was given to you? I had given some homework. What was that? Number of moles in 36 ml of water. Okay. Okay, okay. I have given one question. That was number of moles in 36 ml of water. Okay, that was the question. You have to find the number of moles in 36 ml of water. Now, it's time to solve this problem. Okay, volume is given to us. Let's start the class. Okay, all of you, just focus on your screen. We are going to start the concept. Okay, ready? Are you ready or not? And also number of atoms. Okay, okay, number of atoms are also asked. Okay, all are ready. Very good. So we start. I have given homework, and in this question I asked find out the number of moles in 36 ml of water. 36 ml of water. Okay. Can I apply this formula? Number of moles is equal to V upon, since it is ml, so we can write 22,400. Can I apply this formula? Is it possible to apply this formula? Is it possible to apply this formula? Yoga Smart Tab is saying yes. Priyanka is saying no. Rahul is saying yes. Okay, 2885 is saying yes, yes. Oh, no, it is for volume. Swag is also saying no. Larry is saying no. Sneha is saying yes. Okay. Okay, no, no, no. Varsa is saying no. Larry is saying no. Kalyani is saying yes. Mahima is saying no. It is like 50-50 game. Navya is saying no. Vaishnavi is saying yes. Please tell me one thing. Please tell me one thing. This formula N is equal to, means number of moles is equal to V upon 22,400 is valid for which type of material? Please tell me. Please tell me. This formula is valid for? This formula is valid for gases. And we have to consider the given gas as an ideal gas. Am I right? This formula is valid for gas only. More precisely, this formula is valid for ideal gas only. Okay, this formula is valid for ideal gas only. If gas is given to you, we will assume it is ideal gas. And water is liquid, solid or gas? Please reply. Please reply. Liquid. And if it is liquid, now I am asking the same question again. Can we apply this formula for water? Can we apply this formula for water? Now all are saying no. Now you got the concept. Because this is a very common mistake generally students do. They say like, oh, okay, volume is given, just write N is equal to V upon 22,400. Since it is in ml, that is why I am taking 22,400 ml here. But thing is that at that moment you forget the concept. Concept is that you are able to apply this formula only when given substance is gaseous in nature. So this formula cannot be applied. It cannot be applied. It cannot be used or applied to solve this question. Because water is liquid. Clear or not? This is the main thing. This is the main thing inside this question. Okay. Now, how to solve this? They have given you volume of water. Volume of water. Now you know that this formula is not valid in this case. Whenever you want to apply this formula, I am repeating again. You have to be careful. Given substance should be gas. Given substance should be gas. Now, we are not able to apply this formula. Now how we can solve? They have given you volume of water. Volume of water. Volume of water. They have given you water. How much it is? 36 ml. 36 ml. Can we convert this volume ml into mass? Yes. We know that density of water is nearly 1 gram per ml. Always remember, it is nearly 1 gram per ml. Unit is also very important. Sometimes we remember, okay, density of water is nearly 1. Okay, it is 1. But 1 in which unit? Density of water is nearly 1 in gram per ml. Yoga Smart Tab, density 1 gram per ml, right. Density of water is nearly 1 gram per ml. Nearly 1 gram. That gram per ml is very important. This gram per ml is very important. Let's say they have asked one question. What is the density of water? First option is nearly 1 kg per liter. Second option is nearly 1 gram per ml. Then your answer should be nearly 1 gram per ml. Now, it means, what does it mean? It is 1 gram per ml. It means if you have 1 ml of water, please listen. If you have 1 ml of water, its weight will be 1 gram. Am I right? If it is, density is 1 gram per ml, na? Density is 1 gram per ml or nearly 1 gram per ml. It means if you have 1 ml of water, its mass will be 1 gram. Its mass will be 1 gram. Clear or not? So you can say for 1 ml of water, its mass is nearly 1 gram. Hence, for 36 ml of water, its mass will be 36 gram. Not exactly, approximately. Because density of water is exactly 1 at 4 degrees Celsius temperature only. Density of water is exactly 1 at 1 gram per ml at 4 degrees Celsius only. So you have to say it is nearly 1 gram per ml. It is very important thing actually. Okay. Now you know the mass of water. Mass of water is known to you now. Mass of water is known to you now. If you know the mass of any substance, you can find its mole. Because you have one more formula. What is that? Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Am I right? Mass upon molar mass. So just solve this problem by applying the formula. Number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass is 36 gram. Molar mass of water is 18. So number of moles will be 2. 2 mole of water is there. Number of moles are 2. Now you got the answer for number of moles. If someone asks about the number of atoms, it is very simple. I explained you the unitary method concept. In the unitary method, you should know what is our starting point and where you have to end. Am I right? The starting point is what, or initial point is what, which is given to you, and what is your final point, which is they are asking. Molecule is H2O. They are asking about number of atoms, so you can say 1 H2O means how many atoms? 3 atoms. Very good. Now if I take 1 H2, then we will get 3 atoms. I told you one thing in the previous class. Whenever you're taking mole in left hand side, mole should be in right hand side. If you're taking number of atoms, number in left hand side, then number should be in right hand side. Means it is not possible to take mole in left and number in right, or number in left and mole in right. In both the side, either it will be mole or it will be number. Clear or not? So if I take 2 moles of water, because while solving the question, I got 2 moles of water. Okay. So if I take 2 mole of H2O, I'll get, please reply. If I take 2 moles of H2, I'll get not 6, no. I'll get 6. What? 6 what? 6 moles of atom. Yeah, Priyanka, you are right. 6 moles of atom. I'll get 6 moles of atom. You should be practiced like this. You are taking mole in left, you should write mole in right. You are taking number in left, you should write number in right. Because this practice will make you perfect, like in such a manner that you will not be confused while the solving problem, and it will avoid any kind of error. Okay. So if it is mole in left, mole should be in right. Now 6 moles of atoms are there. How to convert mole into number? Because they are asking about the number of atoms. Okay. So how to convert mole into number? Please reply. How to convert mole into number? I am waiting. Okay, multiplied with Na. Very good. So if I multiply this mole with Avogadro's number, I will get number of atoms. So 6 multiplied by Na means Avogadro number. 6 Na atoms are present. This is the answer. Okay. So how many of you have got the correct answer? Okay. Madhu, Rahul, Redmi 9A, Navya. Okay. Very good. Now you are able to understand the concepts. Now if you want, you can note down the things And always remember one thing, what was the purpose of this question? Purpose of this question is that this formula is not valid for liquid or solid. This formula is valid for gases only. Now please note down. Noted? Okay. Always you have to write this thing also. It cannot be used to solve this problem or this question because water is liquid. Or you can write in other words, because this formula is valid only for gases. Okay? Now note down this one. Please note down this one. Please note down this one. Okay, noted? Noted na? Okay. Now please note down this one also. Please note down this one also. And here you can make some stars to explain this. If you are taking mole in left, you should take mole in right. If you are taking number in left, you should take number in right. By highlighting these two things, you will be able to recall this concept. If you are taking mole in left, you should take mole in right. Noted or not? Anyone who had not written the concept or solution? Anyone? Okay. Done. Very good. Anyone who have not noted, please mention in chat box. Done. Now move to next one. Now I want to give you some new new variety of questions. For that I'll explain you the symbol of atom. Let's say symbol of any atom. Let's say I take a general thing. Let's say I have taken ZXA. It is a symbol of atom. Here this A is atomic mass. A is atomic mass. And this Z is atomic number. Now, actually, I am talking about this concept because I am going to give you some new variety of questions. Okay, that is why I am explaining you this concept. If I take a symbol of atom ZXA is taken by me. ZXA. In this symbol, this A is what? It is atomic mass, and this Z is atomic number. Got the point? This atomic number is equal to number of protons. Always remember, atomic number is equal to number of protons. So I can write like this. This Z means atomic number is, this Z is equal to number of protons. Okay. And if I subtract atomic mass with atomic number, I'll get number of neutrons. Clear or not? This atomic number is equal to number of protons. atomic number is equal to number of protons. And if I subtract atomic mass with atomic number, I'll get number of neutrons. So I can write one more thing. And what is that? It is number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to atomic mass means A minus atomic number Z. This is the method to count number of neutrons. Why these things are important? Because sometimes they ask questions related to number of protons, number of neutron and number of electron. Number of electron counting is very easy. How to count the number of electrons? Let's say I'm talking about oxide ion. Okay, oxide ion is O2 minus. O2 minus. Firstly, I will say, okay, atomic number of oxygen is 8. No, who is saying 18 yaar? I am asking number of electron in oxide ion. Number of electrons in oxide ion. Okay, so I'll say, okay, oxide ion is having atomic number, oxygen is having atomic number 8. Done. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Done. Charge is minus 2. It means 2 electrons are, please tell me, added or removed. 2 electrons are added or removed. Jaldi. Quick, quick, quick. Added. Okay, very good. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. It means in neutral condition, oxygen is having 8 electrons. Charge is minus 2. It means 2 electrons are added in it. If I add 2 electrons in it, I'll get 8 plus 2 means 10. Clear or not? Or you can use one formula. Actually, this thing is easier. Atomic number is 8, 2 electrons are added, so it is 8 plus 2, 10. It is easier. But if you want a formula, then there is no issue. I can give you formula also. If you want to find the number of electrons, number of electrons is equal to Z minus charge. And here you have to put the value of charge with its sign. Let's say it is minus 2, then you have to write minus 2 here in the place of charge. If it is plus 3, you have to write plus 3 or just 3 in the place of this thing charge. Okay, clear or not? So you have to write the value of charge with its sign. Clear or not? Clear or not? Please reply, yaar. Yeah. At least reply quickly. Okay. So you are able to understand this concept that a symbol of atom, in a symbol of atom, this upper subscript is atomic mass, lower subscript is atomic number. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. That is okay. Number of neutron, if you want to calculate, just subtract atomic mass with atomic number. It is clear. If you want to find the number of electrons, either use this formula or you have to use the concept which I have explained just few minutes back. Okay, clear or not? Now, how different type of questions they can ask. Initially, I'll take some simple examples. Let I take P. Firstly, I'll take some simple examples. Okay. 7n14 3 minus. This symbol is given to you, and I am asking about the number of electron, proton, and neutron. So firstly, I want to count number of electrons. Okay, I will say okay, atomic number is 7. It means it is having 7 electrons in neutral condition. Charge is minus 3. It means 3 electrons are added in it. If I add 3 in 7, I'll get 10. Number of electrons are 10. Okay. If I ask number of protons, it is equal to atomic number. Atomic number is 7, so number of protons are 7. If I ask about the number of neutrons, it is 4. I'm taking here an isotope of nitrogen because it will be more easier to understand the concept. Okay, that is why I'm taking isotope of nitrogen. So 7n15 3 minus is given to you. Okay, 7n15 is given to you. If I want to count number of neutrons, I'll say okay, this capital E is for number of electron, capital P is for number of protons, and capital N for number of neutrons. Okay. If I want to count the number of neutrons, I will simply subtract this mass number with atomic number. 15 minus 7, it is 8. So number of neutrons are 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Simple question. Now take some other example. Let's say I have given you H3PO4. H3PO4. By this molecule, I'll discuss so many things. Okay, H3PO4, and I want to know about the number of electrons, number of protons, and number of neutrons. Okay, number of electron, number of proton, and number of neutrons. Okay, for that I need to know about the symbol of atom. Hydrogen is 1H1, done. What is the symbol of phosphorus? Can anyone tell me it is? What is the symbol of phosphorus, or what is the atomic number and atomic mass of phosphorus? Atomic number and atomic mass of phosphorus. Atomic number is 15. Okay, Redmi 9A is saying atomic number is 15. Okay, and what is atomic mass? It is 31. KK 31, Madhu 31, Tanuja 30. It is wrong. Redmi 9A 31 correct. Okay, 13, Mahima 31 correct. Correct. Very good. Symbol of phosphorus is 15p31. Means its atomic number is 15 and atomic mass is 31. And what is the atomic number of oxygen? It is 8. Mass number is 16. Now we can easily find the number of electron, proton, neutron for this molecule H3PO4. Let's say I want to count number of electrons. Okay. How many electrons are present in one atom of hydrogen? How many electrons are present in one atom of hydrogen? Please reply. How many electrons are there in one atom of hydrogen? One. Symbol is 1H1, na? Symbol is 1H1. It means there is one electron present in one hydrogen atom. Simple thing. But in this molecule, 3 hydrogen atoms are there. So you have to take 3 for 3 hydrogen atoms. One hydrogen atom is having 1 electron. So 3 hydrogen atoms will carry 3 electrons. Clear to you? Now, number of electrons in phosphorus atom, 1 phosphorus atom. Number of electrons in 1 phosphorus atom. Number of electron in 1 phosphorus atom, 15. 15. Very good. All are saying correct. 15. Number of electrons in 1 oxygen atom. Madhu 8, Kalyani 8, Yoga Smart Tab 8, Oppo A31 8, Poco C3 8, Sneha 8. Okay. Number of electrons in 1 oxygen atom is 8. Okay, done. Very good. How many oxygen atoms are there? 4. So total electrons for oxygen will be 8 into 4, 32. Clear or not? It is 32. So number of electrons are 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 32. 18 plus 32, it is 50. Next, number of protons. There is no charge, so we need not to add or subtract anything. Okay. Total charge is 0. Number of protons. You have to add simply atomic number. If you want to find the number of protons, add atomic number. Done. So it will be same. 3, 1 into 3, 15 plus 8 into 4, 32. It is 50. Next is number of neutrons. How many neutrons are there in one hydrogen atom? How many neutrons are there in one hydrogen atom? 0. Gayatri is saying 0. Rahul is saying 0. Mahima is saying 0. I am not asking about PO4 3 minus yaar. I am asking about S3PO4. What is given to you? S3PO4. Okay, Tanuja is saying 0, 0, 0. Very good. All are saying 0. That's good. Symbol is 1H1. Clear to you? So if you want to find the number of neutrons, you will say, okay, mass number is 1. Atomic number is 1. Subtract 1 minus 1. You will get 0. 0 neutrons are there in one hydrogen atom. 0 neutrons are there in one hydrogen atom. Clear to you or not? So for hydrogen atoms, number of neutron count is 0. Okay. How many neutrons are there in one phosphorus atom? How many neutrons are there in one phosphorus atom? Madhu is saying 16. Gayatri 16. 16. Very good. Priyanka is saying 15 or 16. If they have not mentioned what isotope you have to take, then you have to take the most existing one, na? And most existing form of phosphorus is 15p31. Okay. Okay, 16, 16, see, yoga is smart, you are saying 15. How it 15? How it is 15? Please tell me how you got this 15 number. Yoga is smart time. I am asking to you. Yeah, you are now you are right. Now you're right. Okay, okay. If you want to find the number of neutrons, you will say, okay, 31 is the atomic mass, 15 is atomic number. Subtract this 31 with 15. 31 minus 15, you get 16. And one phosphorus is there, so number of neutron in phosphorus 16. Okay. Number of neutrons in one oxygen atom. Number of neutron in one oxygen atom 8. Okay, 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. It is 8, but 4 oxygen atoms are there, so you have to multiply with 4. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 4, 32. So total number of neutrons are 16 plus 32. It is 48. Clear or not? By this you can find the number of neutrons in each given molecule. This is a simple calculation. It is very easy to calculate, but they use this thing in mole concept part. Okay, they use this concept in mole concept. Let's say, if I ask, calculate number of electron, proton, neutron. You got this symbol. E is for electron, P is for proton, N for neutron. Means total number of neutrons. Actual symbol for neutron is small n. And actual symbol for proton is small p. Here I have taken capital P for number of protons. Okay. And capital N for number of neutrons. Here I just write like this. Okay. So it will be more easier to you to understand the concept. Here I have written number of protons, so number of neutrons. So I will take N for it. Okay, capital N. Here I have written number of electrons. I will take E. Okay. If I ask calculate number of electron, proton, neutron for 2.5 moles, 2.5 moles of 2.5 moles of H2SO4. Please solve. Calculate number of electron, proton and neutrons for 2.5 moles of H2SO4. Please solve. You have 1 minute, okay? Okay, I am giving you 2 minutes, okay. I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this problem because this is first problem of this type. That is why I am giving you more time. Or we can play fastest finger first. Take your time. I am waiting. Don't worry. $30 left. Okay. Always remember one thing in mole concept, what I had explained you in the previous lectures. Whenever you are talking about mole in left hand side, mole should be in right hand side. If you are taking number in left hand side, number should be in right hand side. This is very important part actually, because this small concept will reduce the chance of error. Okay, that is I am saying always try to yeah Priyanka, now you are right. Very good. No, okay, earlier it was KK. Okay, done. Time is over. Okay, no problem. Try to understand the concept. I'm solving this. Okay. How many moles of H2S4 are given to you? 2.5 moles is given to you. How many moles of H2S4 are given? 2.5 moles. But they are asking about number. So what we have learned from the previous concepts, if you are taking mole in left, you should take mole in right. If you are taking number in left, you should take number in right hand side. Am I right? Now? Yeah. Here 2.5 moles of H2S4 given. So firstly you have to calculate everything, means electron, proton, neutron count for one H2SO4. So one H2SO4 has how many electrons are there? For hydrogen it is 2. Okay. For sulfur, please reply. I'm waiting. Please reply. For sulfur, one sulfur, how many electrons are there? 16. Very good. And number of electrons in oxygen? One oxygen is, number of electron in one oxygen is 8. 8 into 4, 32. Okay. So it is 32 plus 16 plus 2, it is 50. 50 electrons are there in one H2S4. Okay. Number of protons. In the case, always remember one thing. In the case of neutral species, means chargeless species, number of electron count and proton count is same. This will save your time, okay? In the case of neutral species, means the species which is having zero charge, the given entity which is having zero charge will have equal number of electron and protons. Got the point or not? Number of electron, always remember this statement, okay, because it will be very helpful to you. It will save your time. And time management is very important in the examination, you know that. So, in the case of neutral species, number of electrons and number of protons will always be equal. So, it is neutral. H2S4 is not carrying any charge, na? This molecule H2S4 is not carrying any charge. So, it is neutral. And if it is neutral, number of electron and number of proton count will be same. So, I can directly write, okay, number of protons are 50. Come to the neutron part. For calculation of neutron, you should know perfectly about the symbol of atom. Symbol of H is 1H1, so number of neutron count is 0 for H, okay. Symbol of sulfur is 16S32. 16S32, you know that, 16S32. So number of neutron in one sulfur is 32 minus 16 means 16, okay. Are you able to understand this concept? Yeah. For oxygen, number of neutrons are, one oxygen, it is 16 minus 8. Symbol of oxygen is 8O16. So if you want to count the number of neutrons in one oxygen atom, you will say it is 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8, it is 8 for one oxygen atom. In this molecule, 4 oxygen atoms are there, so it is 4 into 8 means 32. So total neutron count is 32 plus 16 means 48. So total neutron count is 48. Total electron, proton, neutron count is known to us for one molecule of sulfuric acid. For one molecule of sulfuric acid. But they have given you 2.5 moles of H2S4. Now you can write H2S4 is, given H2S4 is how much? It is 2.5 mole. But we have to calculate the number. So you can write like this, okay, 2.5 mole of H2SO4, 2.5 moles of H2SO4 means how much H2SO4 in numbers? How many H2SO4 molecules are there? If moles of H2SO4 are 2.5, then how many H2SO4 are there? Please reply. 2.5 Na. Gayatri is saying 2.5 Na. Rahul is also saying 2. It is not a small a. Okay, yeah. Okay, 2.5 Na. 2.5 Na. Okay, it is very simple. Now I told you in the previous lecture. Whenever mole is given to you, and if you want to find the number, just multiply mole with Avogadro's number. Am I right? Whenever you want to find number and mole is given to you, multiply mole with Avogadro's number, you will get total number of entity. So moles of H2SO4 are 2.5 mole. 2.5 mole of H2SO4, it means you have 2.5 NaH2SO4. 2.5 NaH2SO4. Now you are able to find the number of H2SO4 molecule. Now you can simply apply this concept. One H2SO4 is having 50 electron, 50 proton and 48 neutrons. Now I am just writing all the solution in one step. You will say, okay, 2.5 Na H2SO4, 2.5 NH2SO4 will have 2.5 NH2SO4 will have. Okay. You will say, okay, one H2SO4 having 50 electrons. One H2SO4 is having 50 electrons. So 2.5 NH2SO4 will have 50 into 2.5 Na electrons. Rest you can calculate. Rest is the calculation thing. You can do it your own. Now in the case of proton, you will say, okay, one H2SO4 is having 50 protons. One H2SO4 is having 50 protons. If one H2SO4 is having 50 protons, then 2.5 NH2SO4 will carry. 2.5 H2SO4 will carry 50 into 2.5 Na protons. Rest you can calculate by your own. Okay. Third one is they are asking about the number of neutrons. We have to practice same thing. We will say, okay, one H2SO4 is having 48 neutrons. One H2SO4 is having 48 neutrons. If one H2SO4 is having 48 neutrons, then 2.5 NaH2SO4 will have 48 multiplied by 2.5 Na neutrons. Clear or not? By this method, you can calculate the electron, proton, neutron, whatever they are going to ask. Now you can calculate this 50 into 2.5. You can calculate it. It is very simple. You can calculate 50 into 2.5. It is very easy to calculate. If answer is given in terms of Na, okay, no problem. If answer is given in the terms of a big number, you have to put the value of Na, and you know what it is. Value of Avogadro's number is 6.023, approximately 6.023 into 10 power 23. Now tell me, how many of you are not able to understand this concept? How many of you? Anyone who is not able to understand this concept, please mention in the chat box. Anyone? One student, at least one student. Everyone is saying understood. Okay, no problem. Understood. Everyone is saying understood. Okay. Okay. It means I need not to explain it second time. Okay. Now please note down this question. Please note down this question. Noted. Done. Now you can note down this one also, solution part. So please note down this solution part. Are you able to read my handwriting? Okay. Sneha is saying yes, Chetan is saying yes. Good. Oppo F17 Pro is saying, sir, explain once. Okay. Noted na? Anyone who is still writing, please mention. Anyone who is still writing, please mention in the chat box. Vikram is asking, sir, how to get the paper of Sunday exam. I'll discuss with other members and then explain, or someone else will explain to you. Don't worry. It will be explained to you how to appear in the examination. No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay. Someone is saying, sir, please explain at least once. Okay, no problem. They have given you, just listen, they have given you number of moles of H2SO4. Am I right? They have given you number of moles of H2SO4. And they are asking about the number of electron, proton and neutron. Number of moles of H2SO4 are given to you. Is it clear? Here, what is being asked? About the number of electron, proton and neutron. Thing is that mole is given, number they are asking. So firstly, we have to calculate in same parameter, because I told you in the previous lectures, if you are taking mole in your initial part, then mole should be in final part. If you are taking number in initial part, number should be in final part. Is it clear to you? Since they have given mole of H2SO4 and asking about the number of electron, proton, neutron, so I have to convert moles of H2SO4 into number of H2SO4. Is it clear? Why I am converting mole into number? Why I am converting mole into number? Because they are asking about the number. Thing is that, okay? Now I will say, if we are having 2.5 moles of H2SO4, if I am having 2.5 moles of H2SO4, then how many number of molecules will be there? I will say, okay, if I want to convert mole into number, I have to multiply mole with Avogadro's number. I had already explained this thing so many times, so you should be just habitual to it. Okay, I want to convert mole into number. I will multiply mole with Avogadro's number. That's all. It is 2.5 moles of H2SO4. Multiply it with Avogadro's number, means Na. You will get 2.5 NaH2SO4 molecules. Okay, it is the number of molecules. Now, if you know anything for one, you can calculate for any given data. Okay, you know one H2SO4 is having 50 electron, 50 proton, 48 neutrons. If one is having 50 electron, then 50 electrons, then 2.5 NH2SO4 will have 2.5 Na into 50. Am I right? If one H2SO4 is having 50 protons, then 2.5 NH2SO4 will have 2.5 Na into 50. That much protons are there. Likewise, if one H2SO4 is having 48 neutrons, then one 2.5 NaH2SO4 will have 48 into 2.5 NaH2SO4. Now, is it clear to you or not? Any further explanation is needed, then please mention. Okay, clear to all. Now, move to next question. Calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons. You can write the question with me, okay? You can write the question with me. Calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons present in 62 grams and 62 grams of 62 grams of P3 minus. Calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons which are present in 62 grams of P3 minus. Now solve this problem. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute to solve this. And your time starts now. Okay. Okay. Let's solve the problem. Okay. They have given 62 grams of P3 minus. 62 grams of P3 minus. Okay. 62 grams of P3 minus is given to you. Okay, no problem. No problem. And they are asking about number of electron, proton and neutrons present in the given P3 minus part. Okay. Firstly, we will calculate the moles of P3 minus, because we know that it is very easy to calculate any given data in terms of moles. Am I right? Calculation in terms of mass is slightly difficult. Whenever you want to calculate, you have to convert the given mass into moles. It is 62 grams. So mole will be, you know the formula which is related to mass. It is mass upon molar mass. Mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 62. And what is the molar mass of phosphorus? What is the molar mass of phosphorus? It is 31. Very good, very good, very good. 31. So number of moles of phosphorus or P3 minus are 62 divided by 31, it is 2. 62 divided by 31, it is 2. 2 moles. I am writing here moles to avoid any error. Okay. Okay. I am writing here moles just to avoid any error which is possible in the examination. That is okay. Now come to the ion part. It is P3 minus. Firstly, you have to find the electron, proton, neutron present in 1 P3 minus. Okay. Number of electrons in 1 P3 minus are, please reply. I am waiting. Please reply fast, quickly. Okay, very good. Now we are saying 18, 18, 18, 18. Okay, okay. Number of electrons are 18. How you can find? Very simple. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. It means in neutral condition, this phosphorus atom is having how much electrons? How many electrons? 15. Okay. Charge is minus 3. It means 3 electrons are added in it. Charge is minus 3. It means 3 electrons are added in it. Atomic number is 15. 3 electrons are added because charge is minus 3. So total count will become 18. Number of electrons are 18. Number of proton is equal to atomic number. That's all. Number of protons is equal to atomic number. So number of protons are 15 and number of neutrons are, symbol is not 16. Symbol is 15p31. Am I right? So number of neutrons are 31 minus 15 means 16. Okay. So number of neutrons are 16. Okay. Got it. Now, what they have given to you? Sir, mass they have given. Okay. You have converted mass into moles. You have converted mass into moles. You have converted mass into moles. Am I right? You have converted mass into moles. No problem. But they are asking about number. They are asking about number. They are asking about number. So what to do? What we are supposed to do here? You know the moles, but they are asking about the numbers. Firstly, you will convert this mole into number. Okay, that is why I am writing mole here. Okay, because it is very important to avoid any kind of error, any kind of mistake while solving the problem. It is 2 moles. Okay, it is 2 moles. So number will be 2Na. Am I right? Number will be 2Na. Number I am writing here. It is 2Na. So number is now known to you. It is 2Na. 2Na P3 minus. 2Na units of P3 minus ion. Okay. So you will say, okay, 1 P3 minus is having this much of electron, proton and not neutron. Then 2Na units of P3 minus ion will be having 18 into 2Na, 18 into 2Na electrons, 15 into 2Na protons and 16 into 2Na neutrons. Clear or not? Rest is the calculation. 18 into 2Na you can easily solve. 15 into 2Na. Means rest is the calculation. You can do it your own. How many of you have got the same answer? Means 36Na, 30Na and 32Na. Okay. Okay, very good. All of you, okay. I am asking the same thing in another manner. Okay. How many of you were not able to find the correct answer? That is more important for me. Okay. How many of you were not able to find the correct answer? I am waiting here. Don't hesitate, just mention. If you are not able to find the correct answer, no problem, yaar. We are here for that. Don't worry. If you were not able to solve the problem, no problem, yaar. Don't hesitate. Just mention in your comment. Don't worry. No one is there. How it is possible, yaar? Redmi 9A is saying, sir, give another question. Don't worry. I am going to give few more questions. Don't worry. Chetan Kumar, I am able to understand. Okay. I am asking who is not able to understand. I think all are able to understand. Okay, no problem. Okay. You can write the answer or solution if you want. You have 1 minute to note down. I am giving you 1 minute to go. Okay. Sneha is saying, sir, can you send some assignment questions? Okay, it will be sent out to you in group. Okay, don't worry. I will inform the team, they will send you. Don't worry. Okay. Noted? Anyone who is still writing, please mention. Anyone who is still writing? Done, done, done. Very good, very good. I told you earlier, just writing work should be very fast. Writing work should be very fast. Faster you are able to write, more content will be delivered in the class. Am I right? So your writing work should be very fast. Next question. Okay, next question, next question. Let's twist the question. Okay, I'm going to twist the question. A pure sample, you can note down with me, okay? A pure sample of glucose has 3 into 10 to power 24 protons. A pure sample of glucose has 3 into 10 to power 24 protons. Calculate mass of sample. Please solve this problem. A pure sample of glucose has 3 into 10 to power 24 protons. In coming lectures, I will explain you why I am mentioning here pure, because there is a big significance of this term pure. Let's say it is something like 90% pure, 80% pure, then question will be not as visible in this one, okay? It will be different. Now solve this problem, please, quickly. You have 30 seconds, no, not 30. Let's say you are having 45 seconds for now. Solve this problem. You have to calculate the mass of sample. Mention the unit. While writing the answer, you should mention the unit. Done? Number of protons are given to you, and you have to calculate the mass of glucose. You might be knowing the formula of glucose. I am assuming that you know the formula of glucose. I am asking about the mass, not about the moles. Yeah, molar mass is 180, no problem. Okay, done. Let's solve the problem. What is given to you? Number of protons. Number of protons are given to you. That's good. Okay, very good. Protons. How many protons are there? 3 into 10 to the power 24. If you want to solve the problem, firstly you have to convert number into, please reply, please reply. If you want to solve this problem easily, you have to convert given number of protons into moles. Moles, all are saying moles. That is very good thing for me. Okay, so it is 3 into 10 to the power 24. How to find the number of moles? How to find the number of moles? Please reply. Please reply. I'm waiting. How to find the number of moles? Okay, n upon Na. Priyanka is saying n upon Na. Poco C3 is saying divide by Na. Divide by Na. Divide by Na. Divide by Na. Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Number of protons are known to you. Just you have to divide this with Avogadro's number. Since it is 3 into 10 to the power 24, that is why I am taking here 6 into 10 to the power 23 in the denominator. By taking this, it will be easier to calculate the data. Okay. So number of moles are 10 power 23 divided by 10 power 23. It is 10. 3 by 6 means 5 in denominator. 10 by 5 it is 2. 2 moles. You should be habitual to write like this. 2 moles or number. You should be habitual to write like this. Means number of protons are 2.5 mole. Okay. Half part of the question is done. Now, what is the formula of glucose? Sir, it is C6H12O6. Am I right? How many protons are there in one molecule of this glucose? How many protons are there in one molecule of glucose? How many protons are there in one molecule of glucose? Please reply, please reply. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. Very good. Oh my God, so many different answers are there. If you want to find the number of protons, you have to use atomic number. Okay, tell me, what is the atomic number of carbon? What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. It means 6 protons are there in one carbon atom. Am I right? Atomic number of carbon is 6. It means there is 6 protons in one carbon atom. How many carbon atoms are there? 6. So 6 into 6, it will be 36. Okay. 36 protons are there in 6 carbon atoms. Okay. How many protons are present in one hydrogen atom? How many Chetan Kumar is saying 0. 0 is number of neutrons, yaar. Chetan, number of neutrons are 0. Now I am asking about number of protons. How many protons are there in one hydrogen atom? Sir, 1. 1. Very good. All are saying 1 except Chetan. No problem. Chetan got the correct answer or not? Chetan, I am asking to you. Have you got the correct answer or not? Please reply. Yeah, very good. So one proton is there in one hydrogen. How many protons are there? 12. So 1 into 12, it is 12. Okay, it is 12. For oxygen, how many protons are there in one oxygen atom? 8. 6 oxygen atoms are present, so 8 into 6. 8 into 6, how much it is? 48. So total count is okay, I am going to write like this. Protons is equal to, it was, I think, okay, it was 36, sorry. 36 plus 12 plus 48. So 48 plus 250 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 36, it is 96. 96 protons are there in one molecule of glucose. 96 protons are there in one molecule of glucose. Now, we have to apply unitary method. Here we are supposed to apply unitary method. What I had explained you about the unitary method, you have to find your initial and final point. Am I right? You have to find your initial and final point. So please tell me, what will be the initial point here? What will be the initial point here? What will be the initial point? If I want to apply unitary method, what will be the initial point? What will be the initial point? I am waiting here. Okay, okay. Okay, you will say 96 protons. Initial point is what? What? Which is given by the examiner. And final point is what? Which they are asking. They have given number of protons, moles of protons. So our initial point will be protons. So we will say, okay, 96 protons means 1 glucose. Am I right? 96 protons means 1 glucose. So for 1 proton, it will be 1 by 96 glucose. How many protons are there? 2 moles of protons are there. 2 moles of protons are there. So if I take 2 moles of proton, it will be 2 divided by 96 means 2 multiplied by 1 by 96. 2 by 96 moles. Here we have to focus. I am taking mole in left hand side, 2 moles of proton. So moles should be in right hand side. This is the main important part of the unitary method concept. 2 by 96 moles of glucose are present. 2 by 96 moles of glucose are present. Now you know the moles of glucose. You know the moles of glucose. How many moles of glucose are there? It is 2 by 96 moles of glucose. Now, someone is saying 5 moles of. Okay, I think I have done some mistake here. Okay. It was 24 at 10. Okay. You are right. It is 5 moles. Sorry. My mistake. It is 5 moles. Simple. You have to calculate this. It will be 5. Okay. I'm going to take 5 here. Okay. Yeah. 5 moles. Vaishnav, you are right. Thank you. Thank you for making me correct. Okay, no problem. Our initial point is proton. Why our proton is our initial point? Why proton is our initial point? Please reply, because they have given about the protons. Why glucose is final point? Because they are asking about the glucose. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? We are supposed to write the given data in left hand side. We are supposed to write the data which they are asking in right hand side. Am I right? Am I clear to you? Okay. So we will say, okay, 96 protons, 1 glucose. 1 proton, 1 by 96 glucose. 5 moles of protons. 5 moles of protons means 5 by 96 moles of glucose. Clear or not? Clear or not? Clear or not? Yeah. Thing is that if you are taking moles in left, you have to take moles in right. Another thing which is most important, the data which is given by the examiner should be placed in left hand side. The data which they are asking should be placed in right hand side. That is simple, basic, fundamental, can be used to solve the problems which are based on unitary method. Okay. Now moles is known to you, but they are asking about the mass. Can you find the mass? Yes, you can find. Multiply this mole with, please reply. Now you know the moles of glucose, na? And you have to calculate. All the time I am not going to multiply with NAR. Yeah. Yoga Smart Time is right. Chetan Kumar is right. Gayatri, you are wrong actually. Okay, no problem. Molar mass. Sneha is saying molar mass. Rahul is saying molar mass. Okay. All are correct except one. One student. Okay. This is the moles of glucose. Now, what I told you in the previous lectures, whenever you want to convert mole into mass, you have to multiply mole with molar mass. Is it right? So, I am going to multiply this with molar mass. So, I will get 5 by 96 into molar mass. Molar mass of glucose is 180 gram per mole. So I have multiplied this with 180. 180 gram glucose is there. Rest is the calculation. You can do it your own. Okay, this is the final answer. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Clear or not? You have to practice this question one more time by your own. Okay, you have to practice this question one more time by your own. It will be beneficial to you. Okay, now please note down this question. Means solution. Please note down this solution. Is it visible? Okay. Please note down this solution. Firstly, you have to note this thing. Firstly, note down this part, this part. What happened? Okay. Done? Noted? Okay. Now, this calculation you can do your own, yaar. I don't want to waste time in this calculation thing. Okay, writing, still writing. Here, we will be able to apply unitary method very easily if we know that the data which is given should be placed in left, the data which they are asking should be placed in right. Actually, this small statement, this very single statement is make unitary method easier to understand. I think it's done. Okay. Anyone, please mention in the chat box if you are writing. Anyone who is still writing, please mention in the chat box. Okay, I think done. It's enough. Enough time is given to you. Now, I am giving you one homework. I am giving you one homework. Question is, which of the following? I am writing WOTF, means which of the following? I'm not interested to waste the time to write which of the following. It will take a lot of time. Okay. Which of the following has maximum number of molecules? Which of the following has maximum number of molecules? Options are 18 ml of water, second, let's say I'm taking here 18 liter of water. Okay. 48 liter of ozone, 3 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen, and fourth one is 360 grams of glucose. This is homework question which you have to solve. Okay. And in next lecture, I'll discuss with this question. I'll start with this question. Okay. So, feeling confident or not? Please reply. Feeling confident or not in mole concept? Feeling confident or not? Yeah, 22300 is saying yes, sir. Full confident. Okay. Priyanka is saying confident, sir. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. 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 Rest part of mole concept we will try to understand in next class. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep studying and keep chilling. Bye.